To check if a specific user is a member of particular group, you can utilize the check member group function. Start creating a HTTP request with the post method. Set the URL to https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/directory object/user id/check member group. Here we shall check for the Alexander. Replace user ID with the actual user object ID. In the header, include the content type with application JSON along with authorization barrier token. Not sure how to create a new access token? Watch the video title How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API, linked in the video description below. Navigate to Request Body. Under Role list down all the groups you are looking to verify the user membership. I will add the object ID of Customer Champions, Finance Teams, Group 1 and Group 11. Click the Send button. In the result, we can see it return all the group object IDs. Alexander is a member. We also have a check member object function, which is broader. Check member group checks if a user or service principal is a part of specific groups and return those group ID. On the other hand, check member objects not only check group membership but also include directory roles and administrative unit, offering a broader verification useful for detailed access role management. To use check member objects in the URL, I will change to check member object and body. Instead of group ID, I will change to IDs. Click the send button. This time in the result we won't see any difference as all the IDs we have provided belong only to the group. However, in actual usage, it can return membership across different types of directory objects. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.